The CDC, FDA, and state health departments are all working together to investigate these widespread lung illnesses and study samples. There's a lot of information that's unclear right now, but we set out to verify what we do know to help you better understand the situation. The CDC says all people coming in with reported lung illnesses have reported recently using e-cigarettes. There isn't an exact cause right now, so we can't verify if there's a pattern with a product, chemical, or ingredient. However, all the people getting sick say they're having trouble breathing, they're coughing, they have chest pain. Many are reporting feeling exhausted and even nauseous. So we can verify all individuals coming into the hospitals have lung issues. Now, as many of you know, e-cigarettes and vapes can have nicotine, THC, or CBD. Right now, though, we don't know exactly what is causing people to get so sick. And a lot of information out there right now, patients reporting vaping THC or CBD that they bought off the street. The government came out last week and warned people not to do that, but we can't confirm where the products are coming from. And it's important to note, most of the Americans hospitalized with lung damage are young because that's the age group that uses e-cigarettes the most. But as we saw with the death here in Oregon, adults are prone too. So age doesn't matter. Back to you guys.
Morgan, thank you. Now, if you would like us to verify something, here's how you can get us involved. You can contact us with the email you see on your screen, verify@kgw.com.